So some excellent moments maybe around Rory talking about the soul shaker, the golden soul shaker, that Churchill changed ultimately what the answer was to the problem, because people were looking at the problem in a different way, and just getting us to think maybe differently about how it is that we're framing the challenges that we face and how we're going to bring people with us. That's certainly a strong point from it. And then finally, I really liked Alex's idea of, don't talk about growth, talk about selling things. For me, as a communications consultant who really cares about the language that we use, we need to make sure we're choosing terminology and language that makes sense to the people, not just externally, but internally what it is we're trying to do. Otherwise, we can't bring people with us. So I loved how he really focused in on that. So one of the significant challenges that I think are very, very similar across sports and RGM or any business environment is trying to find a way to convey an old message in a new way, because so many of our messages, we have to go back to them again and again. I think that leaders in sport and business, I think they start sometimes in the wrong place. They get enraptured by the end point and where it is they're trying to go. And they probably suffer a little bit from the concept of the curse of knowledge. They're the experts who know the thing really, really well and where we got to get to and how we're going to get there. But the key is really to communicate that effectively and to make sure you bring them with them. You bring your groups with you. So rather than starting with what or even why, I think you need to start with who. And not externally, internally in your group.